Feelers, it's that time where dadating ka sa buhay, sa point ng buhay mo na magko-contemplate ka na naman sa lahat ng bagay ng ginagawa mo. And guess what? It's that time of the month for me. Welcome to another episode of Feelings Explained. Gian, may wish ka ba para sa episode na ito?
Yes. At iyon ay ang maitawidang episode na ito. Because we are going to dive deep into the realm of something.
Of something, yes.
Oo. But before we dive deep into that, of course, guys, sa aming loyal at mga bagong feelers dyan, I hope you do your part of this episode, which is to click the bell button on Spotify to make sure na alam nyo na lalabas na ang episode. Tapos, ano pa ba? Makiki-follow na lang din po kasi yun na po yung, alam mo yun, like, the least you can do. Follow us and, support our social media platforms. We are Feelings Explain the podcast on all social media channels. Ayun, Pat. What is your small win or hindi na sanay. Oh my God. What is your small win or shit of the week?
So I have a shit of the week. And hindi naman siya like super big. Pero I've started rewatching Grey's Anatomy for the nth time. Dahil na-miss ko yung trauma na ibinigay niya sa akin, especially season 6 to the last 2 episodes. Sa mga feelers na nanonood dyan at wala pa kayo doon, don't worry, I'm not gonna say things. But I miss the trauma. So, trinay kong panoorin. Tapos sabi ko, hala, bakit itong character na to umiiyak? And why is that character also crying? And then I realized, oh yeah, dahil kay XYZ at yung isa dahil kay ABC. Pero ano yung process? Like, how? So, I decided to watch it again. Like, season 1, episode 1. Ganong levels. At naalala ko na naman yung inis ko. As in, yung inis ko na naman sa mga characters na to. Kasi, Easy Stevens, bakit medyo marupok tayo? Hindi tayo ginawa ni Lord para maging marupok. Yorn.
Pero akong
Okay,
nagawa ako
yun
ni
lang
Lord
naman.
na maging marupok. Yun lang po.
Medyo brittle.
Oo, medyo fragile po
Yes.
tayo minsan, o madalas, ganun.
Mhm.
Okay, nakakaano naman yun, nostalgia ka naman dyan, sis. Ang dami-daming shows talagang Grey's Anatomy ang pinatulan. Pero, girl, I wish I have that courage to go back. Kasi ang tagal din naman talaga ng Grey's Anatomy. The longest, series on television yan eh, no? Parang 20 years, di ba?
Parang hindi sila ang longest.
Talaga?
Hindi
Oh
sila ang
my God,
longest.
merong may 25 years na ganun. 20 years na sila, sis.
Sis, Doctor Who.
I don't know that.
Matagal ang it's a sci-fi show but that's on like for 50 years
Oh
already.
my God. Oh my God. Okay, get it. Sige. Okay, so hindi Grey's Anatomy. Okay.
Hindi Grace,
Good for
yeah.
them. Buti naman.
Pero tangina sobrang grabe na yung drama, umabot na sila sa langit at COVID, te.
Tangina,
Ano
no?
na? Diba?
Tangina.
Cardo shaking. Oo.
Cardo shaking, grabe. Okay. Baka yun pala yung goal ni Cardo, no? Maging kasing tagal ng Grey's Anatomy. Kaloka. Okay.
Sis, paano pag ang So wait lang, question paano pag yung Bridgerton umabot din sa COVID?
Sis,
at
I
saka
doubt
langit?
it. Baka na.
Hindi, pag ganun, te. Maloloka
Girl,
na ako.
oo. Grabe, iba na yun. Baka maka-attend na ako, sis, nung ball. Kasi, Duchess
Baka.
na ako, girl.
Yes.
Manifesting it. Ayun. So, meron nag-message sa akin. So, guys, kung hindi nyo alam, my hatest messaging app among all the messaging apps is Viber. And then this person from years ago, who is not even a person to me. Charing. Hindi. Basically, I've never met this person, but he's like, lalaki siya.
Very persistent.
Medyo persistent siya. I mean, medyo weird na never kami nagkita but he still messages me. And like, tangina. Naka-receive ako ng message sa person na yon and I'm like, what the fuck? This is invasion of privacy. This is my shit of the week. Okay, let's move on, Pat.
This show is brought to you by Pat and Gian's Blood, Sweat, and Tears.
Anong episode tonight? Shoot, ang ina.
Okay. So, our episode is all about questions. Questions that we are afraid to ask and or pwede rin questions na we are afraid of the answer or anything within that field.
Yes.
So,
Sorry, may I add? Pwedeng sabihin lang natin yung tanong, pwedeng alam mo yung parang wala tayong expectation sa tanong kasi pwedeng walang sagot yon. Gets? Parang
yeah,
we're just gonna
exactly.
share. Oo, just to be clear to everyone kasi baka wala rin akong sagot sa mga tanong ko. Baka mag-expect yung mga tao.
Yeah.
Yun lang. Okay.
Okay, sige. Sisimulan ko muna sa pinaka-dark na tanong. As in, pinaka-dark na kahit ako minsan, gusto kong malaman yung sagot, pero takot akong malaman yung sagot. Pag namatay ako, sino nga atin? Do you ever question yourself that?
Yes. Yes. And actually, medyo sensitive ako na parang, alam ko yung parang iniisip ko at the back of my head na, I wish it's the people who really mean something to me. I mean, I wish it's not like, alam mo yung parang, okay, namatay ka. I mean like, okay, patay na ako, tapos pupunta si ganito kasi kilala niya lang ako. Parang, hindi ko kailangan ng extra,
Yeah.
body in there, no. Like, sana mga taong kilala talaga ako. Wow, alam mo yan. But, 'di ba?
Yes. Oo,
Yun.
totoo.
Oo,
Alam mo, ganyan din
'di ba?
ako. Gusto ko na the kung saan man ako, kung saan man yung wake ko, kung saan man siya mangyayari, it's filled with people who care for me and people I care for.
Yes.
Ayoko yung parang basta-basta lang na kunyari dahil nakatrabaho ko siya sa XYZ project or dahil ah nag-work kami sa ganitong company. Ayoko ng ganun lang. Ayoko yung very shallow lang yung I mean, I would appreciate ko yun, appreciate ng soul ko yun at ng family ko. Pero like, I just want people who really mean to me. And ayoko siya na parang ano lang yun, yung parang basta makapunta ka lang.
Totoo.
I want it to have some meaning into it. Like, I want you guys to celebrate my life.
Yes.
Hindi yung, alam mo yun, yung parang nakaupo lang kayo doon sa uncomfortable
Amen.
chairs. Tapos biglang, ay, may kape.
Gusto ko yung
No.
na-envision na natin,
No.
no? Totoo.
Na-envision ko na talaga, sis. Magmumulto talaga ako pag ganun yung
Totoo.
nangyari.
Tas, girl, yung mga kaaway mo nung season 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, no? Lumabas dyan. Nag-sorry sa'yo, sis. Papatawarin mo.
Tignan natin, hindi ko pa nga sila napatawad ng season 1 to 5. Tayo
Kaloka.
na.
Hanggang talaga sa grave, no? Sinusumpa si E at si T at alam mo na yan, memorize ko sila. Girl,
Memorize mo na sila, sis.
para sa kaalaman po ng lahat, wow. Napag-usapan na namin ni Pat yung mga gusto naming mangyari sa aming mga kanya-kanyang pagpapaalam. Wow! Ready. I mean, sana naman po, Lord, wag muna, Lord. Wait, ang dami ko pang
Well, hindi pa tayo na
hindi
meet and greet.
pa, oo. Kalma lang po tayo. We're good. We're happy. We're gonna have more. So,
Mm.
ayun. On that note, kasi death, 'di ba? Ako naman takot akong malaman. Gusto kong malaman, pero takot akong malaman talaga kung paano ako mamamatay. Alam mo yung feeling na curious ka, yung parang gusto mo, hindi sa para ilagan yon kasi hindi naman pwedeng ilaga. I mean, ewan ko, can you actually,
Yeah, you can
'di ba?
avoid
You
it.
can't.
Yeah.
So like, I don't wanna know, but at the same time, merong mga 5-10% of me na parang, can someone tell me para lang alam ko kung, alam mo yung parang hindi lang ako gulat. Yung parang, okay, mamatay na pala
Yeah.
ako, pero hindi ako yung parang, putang ina, namatay ako. Alam mo yon? Girl.
Sis, yung ganyan ko, ako, ayoko malaman kung paano ako mamatay. Pero ang gusto ko malaman if I died peacefully or not. If I was in pain or not. Yon ang gusto
Shit,
kong malaman.
yeah.
Kasi if I was in pain, doon ako magwawala. Parang, tayo na naman, nahirapan ako bago ako mamatay. Pati ba naman sa pagkamatay ko, pinahirapan ako, nasaktan pa ako. Ayoko ng ganun.
Alam mo, gusto ko yung mga request natin, very no? Yung parang,
Lord, paki-take note, please. Huy!
akala mo, stage manager notes lang, ganun. Parang, pakidirect nga po ng
Yes.
ganito po yung blocking, pag Yun. Oh my God, shucks. Ako, Ako naman, this is so random, but hindi naman sa takot, pero parang hindi ako handa malaman ang sagot sa tanong na kung yayaman ba ako. Kung as in mare-reach ko ba yung level of comfort na I didn't even expect. Alam mo yun, yung parang sobrang comfortable, sa sobrang yaman ko, wala na akong ibang iniisip kundi, "Oh my God, ang yaman ko." Takot ako malaman kasi parang actually takot lang akong malaman na hindi yun mangyayari. Gets ba? Parang 'pag ang
Yeah.
sagot is hindi ako yayaman, ayoko. Natatakot akong malaman kasi baka panghinaan ako ng loob, hindi na ako alam mo yun, yung parang, "Oh, putang ina."
Yung parang what's the
Oo, parang,
point?
"Tangina, e-effort pa ako, hindi naman pala ako yayaman ng alam mo yun? Yun lang na ang weird niya pero gets niyo ba guys? Yun.
Hindi, nage-gets kita sa part na yan kasi
Mm.
ako din, may part sa'kin na hindi ko naman pinangarap na sobrang naliligo ko sa pera. Ang pangarap ko lang naman ay yung level of richness na I can drink mimosas at 10 AM on a Monday, carefree, na hindi ko kailangan mag-leave, hindi ko kailangan as in hindi, like sit down on a couch with a good book and go to Europe the following week dahil kaya ko, gano'n.
Yes,
Yun ang aking level of
correct.
aspiration ng pera. Pero yeah,
Mm.
ang hirap din kasi 'pag kunyari nalaman mo din yung sagot na yung thing na hindi mo na kinakatakot mo, hindi pala
Oo,
ina-expect, yung thing na kinakatakot mo is mangyayari.
totoo.
Or like nahanap mo yung sagot, nakuha mo yung sagot.
Mm.
Mas lalo kung yung sagot na yon ay ine-expect mo na tapos yun yung nangyari.
Correct. Yeah.
Grabe 'no?
Same parang halos yung mga tanong ko medyo same. Alam mo yung same yung takot, yung reason or your rationale behind bakit takot-takot malaman. Kasi like for example, takot ako na 'pag kinasal ba ako, madi-divorce ba ako? Alam mo yung shit na gano'n, tangina, shit nag-o-overthink ako. Pero yung parang, do do I actually wanna know? 'Cause like if I knew right before 'di ba, parang if I knew, if people would tell me na, "Oh yeah, you're gonna get divorced," will I actually if ever this is like situational scenario, emerald lang 'to guys, hypothetical. Parang 'di ba 'pag alam mo na yung fact na, "Oh yeah, this is gonna be happening to you, this will be your fate." Parang ang scary 'di ba na or parang maaano ka, mato-turn off ka to actually pursue whatever it is that gonna get you there.
Pero ako I think it has the opposite effect on you. Kasi nandun ka
Hmm,
given na kilala ko yung personality
okey.
mo, number one magiging in denial ka pa
Okey,
and
yes
magra-rant
po.
ka. You will take
Amen.
a lot of time to process and then you're gonna fight.
Yeah, I'm gonna fight. Fight till
Yes, hindi ka pinalaki ni Tita Vicky at ni
Gilbert.
ni Tito Gilbert na maging quitter.
Amen. Totoo 'yan, hindi
Yes.
talaga.
Hindi ka nila pinalaki ng gano'n. So, I think that you will fight. So, 'pag nalaman mo kunyari na one of your relationships is failing at you know the end but you don't know how it happened, you're gonna investigate and you're gonna prevent that. I think that's your
You're so
process.
right. Wow, thank you for correcting me. Oh, amen. Yes.
Yes.
Guys,
Dahil ko
charing.
sige, go, go,
Hindi,
go.
wala. Gusto ko lang ipagyabang 'to, pero tip ko lang 'to, ano lang 'to, aloe vera juice. Anyway, go.
Ang ganda ng baso mo, te. Pero anyway, ako feeling ko lang 'pag ako yung nandun sa situation na yun, I feel like I will give up. Like I will hide.
Gets. You will hide under the
Yeah.
rug.
So I need you. Yes. So I need you and a bunch of people to get my ass out.
I see that. Okay, yes, you can count on me, of course. I will Cadet
Thank you very
Kelly you.
much.
Napanood mo ba yun, Cadet Kelly?
Oh, thank you.
Mm.
Si Lizzie McGuire,
Amen.
right?
Yes, Hilary Duff, pero yes.
Yeah. Hilary Duff. Yes, okay, forgot her name. Since ito, meron akong medyo personal question, speaking of Tito Gilbert. Meron, nung time, like 2020,
Yes.
when he was, near towards the
Yeah.
end, was there a question na you were afraid to ask your dad?
Hindi ko naisip. It's more of saying, well, parang feeling ko meron pero hindi ko lang alam. Parang more of afraid to say than ask.
Oh, okay.
Oo. Oo.
Okay.
Or siguro kung magtatanong man ako ng shit, is that, ready ka ba? Alam mo yun? 'Di ba?
Gets.
Kung
Yeah.
yun yung, kung
Yeah.
alam mo yun, parang woke ako or like wala ako iba iniisip nun, siguro parang baka naisip ko yun na parang, are you ready to go? What's your, that's one, and anong gusto mo sabihin sa akin? I mean, 'di ba? Question pa rin yun eh, 'di ba? What do you want to
Yeah.
tell me?
Yeah.
Shit, oo nga, ang ganda nun.
And that's a good
Yeah, oh
question.
my God. Yeah, fuck. Oo nga, shit. That's really good. That's really good. Oh,
Yeah.
i-note nyo yun sa mga oras na kailangan nyo. Oh!
Yes. At dahil dyan, Tito Gilbert, uy! Nagay kay...
Mo! Tangina mo talaga, sis. Alam mo, mamaya may rewind
Hindi.
na naman tayo ng Emerald, ah.
Hindi. Gusto ko yung tumingin ka sa likod. But he's in peace. He's in
Yes,
peace.
I really
Okay.
hope so.
Watching over you
Amen.
guys. Okay.
Oo.
Okay, moving on tayo sa next question na ayaw nating malaman. Or takot tayong itanong. Isa sa mga ayoko kasi ay yung feeling na vulnerable ka at that exact moment. Yung hindi mo pa napaprocess lahat nangyari. Yung lahat ng nangyayari sa'yo, lahat ng tanong mo sa buhay mo, hindi mo pa siya masyado napaprocess. And I hate that feeling. I feel so uncomfortable. Pero ang isang tanong na ayokong natakot akong itanong at takot akong alam yung sagot is, if am I really that unlovable? Alam mo yung sa mga panahon na parang parang you feel like you suck. Like, feeling mo ang pangit mo, feeling mo, as in yung zero confidence sa sarili mo. Isa yun sa mga tanong na, am I unlovable? Or like, ganito na lang ba talaga siya forever?
Ah.
Kasi alam mo yun, ayaw mo
Ang bigat
eh.
nun, sis. Ang bigat nun. I
Ang
felt,
bigat,
super
sis.
felt. Yung days na parang, hindi naman sa diri ka sa sarili mo, pero hindi ka masaya sa sarili mo. And then you'd think na,
Yeah.
kaya hindi ka rin masaya sa sarili mo kasi parang you feel na I'm not appreciated enough, or parang why isn't there someone to, validate me? I mean, iba kasi yung friends who validates you. You know that. Parang core people mo yan eh. Pero yung
Yeah.
other people, like a significant other, that would actually, ano bang tawag doon? Ang pangit tong patronize, pero in a way, like that, di ba? Parang, make you
Yeah.
feel,
Like, take care of you.
make you feel
Exactly.
fucking loved. Girl, I know. I fucking know. Shit,
Diba?
oo. At saka parang, feeling ko naman the answer is not what you think it is. Na parang, oh yeah, you're so unlovable. I don't think that. Pero diba, it's still, ang ano pa rin, andun pa rin yung tangina, parang, what if unlovable nga ako? Ganon. Kahit alam mo na,
Diba?
hindi. Yeah.
Oo. Exactly. At saka minsan 'di ba tayo, Gian, we have these tendencies to be like a really big bitch.
Oh yeah.
Na parang if you push someone towards the edge, whether romantic relationships or platonic friendships, if you push them to the edge, minsan nandun yung takot na parang, is this gonna be the last time that we are gonna have a connection? Like, iiwan mo na ba ako? Alam mo yung ganong feeling. Minsan naman kasi talaga hindi mo siya iniisip sa isang relationship eh. Or kahit sa friendship, di mo naman talaga siya iniisip na mag-e-end tong friendship na to next week. Hindi naman eh. Pero minsan yung pag na-feel mo na you push this person towards the edge na no choice na siya but to feeling mo na to jump off the cliff of that friendship, parang dun ka minsan matatakot na, hala, sana hindi pa siya nagsasawa,
Totoo.
yung gano'n.
Yeah. May level of awareness. Feeling ko yung person na magtatanong, hindi, ano ba? Yung person na tinatanong yun, may level of awareness siya na medyo delix tayo, ganun. Pero yun nga, yun yung uncertainty na hindi mo alam yung sagot, which is parang nakakatakot ngang itanong kasi, fuck, paano kung, paano kung tama nga ang hinala ko, di ba? Ganon.
Yeah.
Ako, may isa akong naisip na tanong na parang natatakot akong itanong, like in general, is, where did I go wrong? Or did I do something wrong? Parang parang in general, I'm just not the person who would actually ask that. Na parang, Pat, did I do something wrong? Kasi usually parang, I take what you give. Alam mo yun? In general, I take what you give, and then let's leave it at that. Minsan mag-e-effort ako, minsan hindi. Alam mo yun? Pero yung parang to be very specific na, meron ba akong nagawang masama? Parang parang feeling ko may pride ako masyado na ayokong malaman kung meron man. Unless, alam mo yun, parang, unless I really feel sorry about it, but if I don't, parang, it's my
Gets.
half sungay coming out. But yeah,
Yeah.
just being real.
Yeah, and I get you for it. Kaya yung friendship natin, G, ano siya eh, monthly, alam mo yan, G, monthly, meron ako na parang, are we okay? Tapos ikaw yung parang tanga to. We're fine.
Oh yeah, Pat, you're an exception. But gets
Thank you.
kita dyan. Shit, ang topak ko. Ito pala, takot akong itanong, guys, may topak ba ako?
Gusto mo sagutin
Oo,
ko?
sis. Parang alam ko yung sagot eh.
Minsan.
Oo kadalasan.
Minsan.
Oo. Actually, sometimes ako na yung natatakot. Kasi parang, alam mo yung parang I look myself as a third person na parang, sure ka ba te? Ganun ako, girl. As in, ganun ako sa sarili ko na hindi ako yung nagbubulag-bulagan about myself. But yeah, I call myself out. Wow, hindi lang rinig ng mga tao. Pero yeah, I do that.
G, I have a question for you. Hindi ko alam kasi kung question mo siya sa
Okay,
sarili
go.
mo eh. Minsan ba natatakot kang itanong sa sarili mo at malaman yung sagot na etong pattern ba na nangyayari sa buhay ko ay isang pattern na kinik ko before tas bumalik lang siya with a new face? Kaya hindi mo malaman na hindi mo pansin na it's a problem. It's a recurring problem, I mean.
Yeah. I ask myself that a lot. Kasi there are so many patterns na nagugulat na lang ako na parang, I tried so hard to get out of it. Hindi po ako addict or whatever, but, there are parang, ano ba, instances.
Behavioral pattern.
Instances na nangyari before that like happened again, which is weird. So natatakot ako parang, am I the common denominator? Yun yung takot akong itanong. Parang, ako ba? Is it a me problem? Am I really the problem to be solved here? Or nadadamay lang ako? Or nagkataon lang na I was at the wrong place at the right time? Or wrong place, wrong time, whatever. Alam mo yun? It's like that. Na parang, hindi ako takot itanong. Pero takot akong marinig na, oo, ikaw yung problema. Oh! Mare!
Sis, ramdam ko from your place to mine. Ti,
kasi,
tumagot.
oo sis, kasi alam mo eh, di ba? Alam mo eh, na I'm in this weird shit. Well, I don't know how to say it, but what's happening
Yeah.
is weird. I mean, like, that, whatever that is, it's just, yeah.
Oh my God. You know what I'm discovering?
What?
It's that, weirdly enough, it's nice to know that other people like you or siguro some of our feelers can, relate na people think about this stuff. People are scared to know the answers to this stuff. Like, yung malaman na, ay shit, ako pala talaga yung problema. Yung ganon. Tay, parang feeling ko kung ako din, kung malalaman ko rin yung sagot, I don't
No.
know if I want to hear it.
Yeah.
No?
Yeah. Totoo.
My God.
Isa pang gusto kong, parang, hindi ako takot eh. Hindi na pala siya your questions you're afraid to ask. Mga bold questions na pala siya na interested akong itanong. Pero, nakakatakot din malaman, for example, yung sagot sa tanong na, do you like me? Even, simple as, kunwari sa parents. Kasi sometimes, I mean, alam ko mahal naman tayo ng mga magulang natin. Pero alam mo yung, minsan, alam nila na, may topak tong anak kong to eh. Ano to eh. Ganito to eh. Ganyan. Alam ko kasi ganun eh. Parang, in fairness to my family, they just know me really well. Maybe
Yeah.
even more than I know myself because they just know me. Pero syempre may mga other parts of me na hindi nila gets or whatever. But in majority,
Mhm.
ganon. Tapos parang, di ba, parang kunwari ako, randomly, tanong ko lang yung nanay ko na, do you like me? Parang, I'm sure this answer is not all the time. Diba? And
Yeah.
medyo ang awkward nun. Pero, yeah. Okay lang. Both.
A at saka sis ako, meron akong belief system na parents are supposed to like you
Mm.
and parents are supposed to love you dahil obligasyon nilang mahalin ka.
Mhm.
Alam mo yon yung parang it's ingrained in them. Pero kung hindi naman talaga siya required of them, I don't think that they do.
Diba? Oo, diba?
Yeah.
Oh, parang mga kapamilya lang, gano'n. Nagkataon lang na
Yeah.
na by default kailangan. Ito, meron
Yeah.
akong isang entry from a feeler on IG. Taray, wait lang. Ang tanong niya is, so we asked kasi on IG, itong same question na questions you're too afraid to ask. Ang isang sumagot ay nagngangalang, ano bang name niya? Shock, sorry. Ano ba? Wait. Si Nicole. Nicolai May. Yon. Oh, basta ha. Yon. Sabi niya, ang tanong is, what's next for me? Yun ang tanong na takot din daw siyang malaman. Ikaw din ba, Pat? Do you feel that way?
Medyo. Kasi baka mamaya, like, when we talk about passions or we talk about what we want in life, hindi kasi din siya exactly na what's next for me. Minsan ang tanong ko, is this it for me?
My God.
Parang,
My
eto na
God.
ba yun? Eto na ba yung buhay
My
ko?
God. Mm.
Kaya ko bang mabuhay dito? Yan.
But may to add to that question, ang next na ang follow-up question diyan sa question na yan is, hanggang kailan ko mararamdaman 'to? Hanggang kailan ko itatanong 'tong mga tanong na ito? Hanggang kailan?
Sis! Tamang-tama!
Did you feel that? My God.
Yes. Sa bawat bahay ng nakikinig dito, Gian, naramdaman nila yon tumagos through and through. May exit wounds.
Hanggang kailan? Ang ganda nun, 'no? Puwede sana may mag-compose ng song because of this episode, wow. Pero shit,
Exactly.
'di ba? Kasi nakakapagod sis, eh. Kung iisipin mo, tangina, ano ito na lang? I mean, hindi ito na lang kasi madami naman talagang blessings. Alam mo yun, parang it's not being ungrateful, but like, fuck, when will we reach that point wherein we're not quote unquote complaining or quote unquote questioning if ito na ba yun?
Yeah.
Ah,
Yeah. Nakakatakot malaman yung kung ito na ba yon or minsan kung ano yung what's next for me. Kasi baka mamaya, kung ano yung what's next for you ay maybe not exactly for you.
oh my God, that is fucked up. Ano pa?
I
What,
know.
what do you have in mind?
I have another.
Go.
How did I end up here?
Ay!
That or how did we end up
Oh
here?
my God.
Sis,
Oh my
intense.
God. Oh my God. Yes, yes, yes. At alam kong oo dahil sa mga bad and good, whatever decisions ko. Pero minsan matatanong mo pa rin na parang, ba't ako nandito? Anyari?
Minsan, dahil kahit naman alam mo na yun yung nakasalanan mo naman din or circumstances at alam mo yung circumstances na nangyari na yun, minsan ayaw mo ng confirmatory
Mm.
na in denial ka pa na ito talaga yung nangyari.
Pinaparinggan mo ba
Grabe.
ako? Charing.
Hindi,
Charing
hindi.
lang.
Sa akin din yan. Sa akin din.
Charing.
Tinamaan ka din
Hindi,
ba?
iniisip ko din parang, it makes sense. It makes sense. Yes. Oo naman. Oo naman. Shit! Actually, ito yung parang nakukuha kong insight from this conversation is that yung mga tanong na takot tayong itanong, medyo alam na natin yung sagot at kaya tayo natatakot itanong. Yun siya eh.
Yeah.
Hindi man siya nakakatakot eh. Ang simple ng mga tanong natin eh. Pero we're scared to ask because we're afraid of the answers.
Yes.
Putang ina pa take away na yon. Pero ang ganda nun.
Exactly.
Grabe.
Alam mo kung anong title ng
Oh.
episode? Di ba, Are You Afraid of the
Mm.
Dark? Are you afraid of the answer?
Ganda nun. Yes.
Mm.
Ano pa? Kanino pa
Sis.
ba ako takot? Takot ka ba to ask your like superior or whatever about their feedback on you or what? Oh,
No.
okay, cool.
Pero I'm scared to know if they're done with me.
Gets.
Yeah. I mean, hindi, gusto ko na nalalaman ko if if I'm already annoying or if parang kailangan mong bumalik sa tamang track kung nasa tamang track ba ako dati. Pero takot akong malaman na I'm done with you. I don't want to continue whatever this is anymore professionally. Alam mo 'yun?
Get that.
Yung parang, "Ay bahala ka na."
I get that.
Sige, yung gano'n. I'm scared.
Mhm.
Grabe yung takot ko.
Valid naman. Legit. May naisip ako, pero it's not really my question. I just feel like people would be afraid to ask these things. Para lang, wala lang, i-include ko lang sila. Yung, my God, this is so, parang, so out of character, pero para itanong kung mahal mo pa ba ako, parang nakakatakot yun, 'di ba? For
Yeah.
me, if ako yung nasa posisyon na kailangan kong itanong yun, aba puta, medyo I'm scared.
Yeah. Sis,
Sis.
nakakatakot talaga. Kahit tinanong mo siya na alam mo namang okay kayo ng partner mo,
Oo.
tas biglang, "Mahal mo pa ba ako? Do you still love me?" 'Di ba? Kaya nga natatawa ako dun sa question na, "Will you still
Hindi.
love me even if I was a worm?"
May tanong na ganun?
May mga nagtatanong na I think that was famous parang in TikTok,
Okay,
I think. I'm not
okay.
sure. Pero ang dami nagtatanong nun na sa mga jowa nila na, "Will you still love me even if I was a worm?" So, nagigets ko na nakakatawa siyang cute siya na question, pero parang kung seseryosohin mo siya, na paano nga talaga, paano 'pag naging uod ako? Malalaman mo ba na ako yung uod? Mamahalin mo pa ba ako kung uod ako? Kasi kahit sabihin
Oo.
natin metaphorically
Sis,
speaking,
very
'di
once
ba?
upon a time, mare. Yung mga ganun. Oo,
Exactly.
rerespetuhin mo pa ba ako kung tae na lang ako, gano'n? My God.
Oo.
Yun, feeling ko yun. At saka yung may iba ba? Or,
Ay,
girl!
oo.
Scary yun!
Girl,
Yung parang,
iba yun,
may iba
te.
ba? Putang ina mo, charing.
Iba yun, iba
Girl,
yun.
I mean,
Okey, te, alam mo pa, isa
oo.
pa. Aside diyan sa may iba ba, siyempre alam mo na yung
Oh.
sagot. Alam mo kung anong eto pang Star Cinema 'to, nagki-cringe
Ay,
ako,
ay!
eh. Eto yun, eh, pang one more chance 'to, eh. Mahal mo pa ba siya? Uy! My God! Shit!
Oh my God, that's so cringy. I like, my body, my soul left. Charing. Oh my God.
Te,
Girl, oo.
na-imagine ko si Maha
Oo,
Salvador.
'no. Mahal mo ba siya?
Mm.
Girl, tang-inang yun.
Actually, anong mas masakit? Mahal mo pa ba ako o mahal mo ba siya? Yun yung
Mare, that's another episode. I love that.
that's
It's
another
an
episode,
episode.
yeah.
Fuck. I'm very seen right now. Charing.
Allegedly, nasa
Allegedly. Oo.
allegedly.
Actually,
Yes.
ako pat, takot ako dito, eh. Yung, bakit ka bumalik?
Uy! Uy! Trangina. Bakit ka nagmulto?
Oo po. Para saan? Para saan pa? Girl, I'm scared. Like, wow. Uy, nakakatakot yun, guys. Hindi naman sa experience ko, pero
Totoo.
it's scary.
Alam mo pala kung isang tanong na feeling ko nakakatakot or sagot na malaman para sa isang tao. Kilala mo yung naging girlfriend ni Nash?
Agwas. Yes, si
Oo.
Charlene, baby girl. Ay, charing,
Si
hindi
Charlene ba
pala.
yun?
Yung isa pang girl yung naging jowa niya.
Si Alexa Ilacad, I think yun, eh.
Oh, yeah.
Alexa Ilacad ba yun?
Maybe.
Yung parang, 'di ba parang sinabi niya, "In those 13 years, where was I?" Di alam mo, feeling ko, ayaw din niya malaman yung sagot.
Girl, oo.
Takot din siya malaman.
In those 6 months.
Kasi ang hirap
Charing.
naman nun.
Oh, girl.
Uy.
In those 6 months, where was I? Charing. In that one night, where was I?
My soul left my body.
Those 2 consecutive nights, where was I? Tangina.
Diyos ko no,
Uy,
sis.
ang sakit
Alam mo
nun.
minsan,
Mm-mm.
ang sakit. Alam mo minsan, itong mga tanong natin sa buhay, kaya mo siya i-categorize by scenes in your
Oh, yeah.
life.
Mm.
Like ako, meron akong The Great Cry of 2020. Oo. So, at ang isang tanong ko doon ay, kung hindi mo ba nalaman, will you have taken any action? That was why I won't divulge anything
Mhm.
that happened to the Great Cry of 2020. Pero basically, this person knew something about what I was feeling, and then the Great Cry happened. So, yun yung tanong ko nun na if kung hindi mo nalaman itong nangyayari sa buhay ko, will you have changed anything, or meron ba tayong change ng action dyan? Minsan ayaw mo malaman kasi alam mo din, kaya tama yung sabi mo kanina na alam naman natin yung sagot
Yes.
Pero masakit din kasi minsan na pag nakuha mo yung confirmation.
Yes, yun yung masakit. Kasi alam mong, oh yeah, I was right all along. And the answer was,
Yeah.
not painful or not really pretty. Ganon. I hate it. Ayun.
May question ako, G. Meron bang isang tanong na nalaman mo na yung sagot na grabe yung impact ng sakit sa'yo, and what was it?
Yeah, the question was, kadiri. The question was, ayaw mo na ba? At ang sagot was, ano yung sagot? Fuck. And the sagot was, hindi mo pa ba alam? Charing. Or, I forgot.
Yeah, something
Along
along
those
those lines.
lines.
Parang hindi ba halata?
Oo, parang
parang
ganon.
ganon, basically.
Oh, the question was, ayaw mo na ba? The answer was, hindi pa ba nasagot ko na yan? Parang ganon. Yeah, it was ugly, but okay lang. I got
Yeah.
over it. I mean, I'm so over it.
You lived.
Oh, yeah. I
Yeah.
did the Star Magic Cinema moment, but I lived.
Yeah.
Well, it wasn't caught on cam,
Exactly.
but it happened.
Mm-mm. Hindi man si John Lloyd ang
Hindi man si
co-actor
John
mo.
Lloyd. Pero,
Feeling mo dinirect ni Binibining Joyce Bernal.
as an actor, oo, totoo yan. Grabe. Pero pinalitan naman ng mga pinalitan naman ng mga fairy tale. Oh, fairy tale.
Wow.
Wow, oo,
oo.
yeah. I have, yeah. Princess and the Frog. Char! Ayun.
I'm assuming you're the princess.
Yes, of course, I'm the princess. I don't know. There's a lot of frogs out there, Char. Ayun po.
Exactly.
Pero talagang, Pat,
Hi.
gusto ko lang sabihin na takot na takot akong malaman ang sagot sa tanong na, bakit ka bumalik? Para sa...
Alam mo sis, meron ako isang tanong na alam kong katatakutan mo, at sagot na alam kong kakatakutan mo as of this moment in
Okay,
time. Ang tanong ay, are you pregnant? At ang sagot ay yes. Te, yan ang pinakatakot ka
Sis,
sa lahat. Wag mo kong emehin.
Sis!
Yan talaga.
Oo. At guys, if you go back to even season 1 ba yun? Season 1 yun, no? Season 1, episode 4, guys. That has always been my fear. Buntis mo ba ako? Kahit na, wala naman. Wala lang, feeling ko lang I'm Virgin Mary. Charing.
Wow. Ang linis mo
Isa
dun,
Calzado
sis.
version. Okay. Ayun
Yes,
lang.
amen.
Ayun na nga. So, sige na. Wrap up na. Baka dahil pa nating mabubuksang mga dapat nakasara na Tapos na, di ba?
Amen.
Di ba? Actually, yun yung tanong ko din. Di ba tapos na? Yun.
Ay,
Di ba?
yes. Maganda. Actually,
Di ba tapos?
okay, yung tapos na tayo, di ba? Yan.
Tapos na tayo, di ba? Sino ka ngayon?
Ay.
Charing. Yun lang.
Exactly. Okay. Dahil patapos na ang episode natin, itatanong ko na ang isang tanong na kaya nating sagutin, Gian. Where do we go from here?
Wow, what an episode. Di ko na-expect. To be honest, ang nakuha ko lang naman talaga is, yun nga, nasabi ko na rin naman kanina na yung mga tanong na gusto nating malaman yung sagot pero natatakot tayo. Sa totoo lang, alam na natin. Kaya nga tayo may fear of asking, 'di ba? Parang I don't think we would actually fear the question if wala tayong idea at all of what could be the answer. Pero yun. Pero okay lang. Feeling ko, minsan, parang gusto kong magkaroon ng lakas ng loob to be able to actually ask those things. I don't know. Hindi ko alam if meron siyang positive impact on me or like mas magkakaroon ba ako ng peace of mind if I actually knew. Alam mo yun? Kasi minsan magandang malaman pero 'di ba may mga bagay na it's better left unsaid or for this ano yun, in this context better left unasked. Meron bang unasked na word? Hindi ko alam.
I think yes.
Yun. So, hindi ko sure kung saan ako pupunta, to be honest. But, I'm just gonna be real with myself na, alam mo yun, kailangan maging handa rin sa mga sagot. Kasi, guys, life will fucking fuck you up. Life will fucking surprise you. So, ayun, kapalan na lang ng mukha, guys. That's where I'm going. How about you, Pat? Where do we go from here?
Ako, nothing will, hindi nothing eh. You can always prepare for the answer to those questions, but nothing will prepare you for the confirmation. So kahit anong prepare mo pa dyan, kahit anong anticipation mo, makakuha ka lang ng kahit maliit katiting na confirmation ay masakit na. So I think it takes balls and a whole lot of tequila and bravery para tanungin ang mga tanong na yon, mas lalo kung mahal mo ba siya. I think grabe yung tanong na yon. But I think sometimes you also owe it to yourself to ask those kinds of questions and to have those kinds of answers dahil hindi tayo pinalaki ng magulang natin para hindi makakuha ng sagot sa mga ganong klaseng tanong. Regardless kung about siya sa sarili mo, and hindi naman kailangan agad-agaran yung sagot eh. Hindi naman siya nagmamadali, hindi naman rush, hindi naman yung trabaho. Kaya, ayun, it takes time. And like sabi ni Gian, na I hope we find the courage or the strength to ask those questions and to face those answers. Ayun po. Okay. At dahil dyan, nagpapaalam na po kami. This has been
And
Pat.
this has been Gian.
Iiwanan po namin kayo ng simpleng tanong na, may sweldo na ba? Bye!